Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Maintainx for beginners. So the first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Maintainx. That's right, and then you have this first website, so all you have to do is to simply tap on this one. Now to sign up for an account, then you just have to simply tap on the sign up option. And then another tab will open. So you just have to wait, and then right here you just have to provide your name, your work email address, and then your phone number. And currently, I cannot really create an account, maybe because of my current location. But if you are eligible to make one, then I just have to, input the required details from you. Okay, so even though we cannot really log into the actual tool, I am still going to discuss to you the important things that you have to know if you are considering to use this tool. So let's start with the work orders. Okay, under the work orders, you can actually create, assign, and track the work orders across all sites. So you can guide your frontline teams with AI powered suggestions and insights to keep every job running smoothly. Okay, so let me just tap on to learn more about this one. Okay, so again, you can create, assign, and prioritize the digital work orders for one or many assets and track everything in one place to keep teams aligned from start to finish. Here, capture work order data more easily. So, make it ridiculously easy for technicians to log work on their mobile devices, capture the right data every time using the pre-filled templates, time tracking, signatures, and required fields. And of course, boost the productivity and vendor efficiency with external work orders, collaborate with shared work orders, communicate with comments and files, and track progress and activity all in Maintainx. Next one is to get more done using labor hour insight to schedule work more effectively, report on PM compliance, on time completion, inspection failures, and more drive continuous improvement. And of course, improve your data quality with a standardized template. So, enable your teams to fill out work orders accurately with the minimal training using the pre filled template, streamline routing or recurring jobs. Ensure only the right users perform and approve the work and capture the right data every time. And of course, improve your workload planning accuracy and efficiency with a smart time estimate. Instantly see data driven estimates on how long a new work order should take to complete, and informed by historical data and powered by AI. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. So we have the preventive maintenance. So you can get ahead of breakdown with the automated preventive and predictive maintenance made smarter with AI. So you can schedule PMs, trigger condition-based work, and identify data anomalies before they take your line down. Okay, so here you can streamline preventive maintenance, reduce asset downtime, and increase the production capacity. And of course, track all your preventive maintenance in one place and quickly see what passes and what fails. So, automate corrective actions for repairs, refurbishment, and regulatory compliance as issues come up. So, trigger PM tasks based on meter readings so that you can inspect or service equipment after time use, mileage, temperature, pressure, and more. You can also measure and improve your PM program. So, robust reporting allows you to measure the performance of all your preventive maintenance tasks. So, get insights on key KPIs like PM, compliance, and MTBF. So, it can reduce downtime, optimize staffing, and ensure high priority work gets done. And make it ridiculously easy for technicians to log work on their mobile devices, capture the right data every time using the pre-filled template, time tracking, signatures, and their required fields. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. So, so we also have here the reporting. So here, as you can see, this is how the reporting looks like. So, drive continuous improvement at scale with the customizable dashboards and out of the box reports. So, they have AI powered reporting. So, describe what you need, and the Maintainx AI will find the data for you, generate the charts, and uncover the insights, all using the natural language. Next is the asset management. Now, this is how it looks like if you're using your mobile app. So, produce more keeping equipment online. So, you can increase the asset availability with the equipment health and reliability insights, identify the root causes faster, extend asset life, and make smarter data driven decisions to boost efficiency and reduce the cost with the AI powered insights. Okay, so let's learn more about this one. Okay, so here you can automatically create work orders from incoming maintenance requests to get machines back online faster, and route requests directly to specific teams and let downtime at the moment it occurs. So, track the current status downtime history for every asset. Make it easy to record when equipment goes online and offline using the automated workflows. And yeah, make smarter budget decisions with the insights into downtime, parts and labor costs, and asset depreciation. Improve reliability with a root cause analysis. So, strengthen your PM plan by understanding why your equipment fails. Take actions on the most common causes of downtime for each asset across the multiple sites. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so we have the checklist and then the inspection. So here, as you can see, you can reduce risk of the regulatory fines and shutdowns. Ensure everyone follows the right safety and operating procedures every time. So use the AI to digitize your maintenance operations so you can enforce safety guidelines and compliance standards across all of your sites. And last one is we have the parts inventory. So yeah, you can monitor the parts inventory, get alerts when stocks run low, and automate reorders to keep the critical parts on the shelf. So you can use the Maintainx AI to predict the upcoming parts needs. Okay, so let's learn more about this one. So you can get notified when stocks run low to avoid nasty surprises and production shutdowns. So generate purchases, orders automatically to restock parts when they fall below a certain level, and stop overspending on parts orders. So you can spend less on emergency shipping by staying ahead of stack outs, reduce carrying costs by using data driven insights to order what you need. So if you want more information about the Maintain X and if you are eligible to sign up for an account, then you just have to visit their website, schedule a demo, and then just have to choose your plan. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.